this is the Cornish-grown tea after 20 minutes on a low heat in the oven. I used a temperature of 125 Celsius. As you see, it's sort of a bit more crispy now. Don't know if it's actually dried. I'm not sure whether it's actually dried enough or whether it needs a bit more, to be honest. But I'll give it a go as it is. Having had a look through the tea leaves, I think they need a bit more drying, so I'm going to put them in for another 10 minutes at the temperature now. See how they are after that. After a further 10 minutes at 125 Celsius, the Camellia leaves are feeling a bit drier. They're kind of feeling sort of light and not as moist. So I'm kind of confident to give them a go.